Wondering what you can do with your 460 square meter lot here at V at Southern Plains? Well, watch this. We're back at it with more real estate contents, and for our last episodes of our fourth series, Say La Vie, mapapasay la vie ka naman talaga sa grabing ganda ng ipapakita ko sa inyong bahay. We are here at Harper Grand Villas. So bago natin pasukin ang loob ni Harper Grand Villas, of course, para sa ating mga car enthusiasts na nag-worry kung saan ba nila ipapark ang kanilang mga cars, no? We have 3 carports here sa labas, and of course, covered silang lahat. Hello there! Wow! Grabe, pagkapasok ko pa lang, sobrang bongga na yung magre-receive sa akin. A vast space. Pero at the same time, parang nasa-segmentalize pa rin kung ano ba yung space na to at para saan without the partitions, no? So, ito yung receiving area nila, yung foyer. So, meron silang 2 couches dito, magkabilang side. And actually, dito sa kabilang side, pwede natin yan pasukin later. But kita nyo naman yung family area nila or common area nila dito sa baba. It's really very spacious. So, ikaw na lang mamimili kung saan ka magdadine. I think dito for casual dining, then dito naman sa kabilang dining area natin would be for our private dinners. So, yes, bago natin pasukin lahat ng details, punta muna tayo sa ating favorite part ng house na to, ang master's bedroom. Pagpasok nyo ng master's bedroom, grabing liwanag. Actually, minimal lights lang yung nilagay nila dito. Pero ang nangingibabaw pa rin is the natural light. So, it's very premium. I remember nung pumunta ako sa Bali, Indonesia, ganito yung vibes talaga ng mga rooms doon. So, it's very neutral, more on gray or earth tones lang, no? Then here, meron tayong garden. And actually, accessible to sa garden natin. So, kayang islide tong glass windows na floor to ceiling hanggang dito. So, pwede natin siyang i-open at pwede tayong lumabas through our garden. O kaya naman, another favorite feature of mine is our walk-in closet. So, grabe, no? Mamimili ka na lang. So, I think, kung ako lang maglalagay ng placement, no? Dito ko ilalagay yung mga accessories, mga bags, and mga shoes natin. Then dito, sa tingin ko, since mga around 4 cabinets naman siya, tig-2 kayo ng husband mo. So, tignan natin yung inside ng cabinets nila para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Ano ba itsura ng cabinet nila, Gwen? So, actually, it's a mixture of mga pwede nyong paglagyan ng hangers and of course, our bags and mga shoes. So, madami silang nilagay din na racks dito para very convenient na lang. And of course, dito naman sa may side, meron din tayong indoor garden dito sa side na to. Just like our other model houses. So, here, pwede kayong maglagay ng coffee coffee nook, o kaya naman dito kayo magsusmoke para syempre hindi amoy sa ating bedroom. So right beside this indoor garden would be our toilet and bath. Dito sa toilet and bath natin, meron tayong his and hers na sink, and of course, our shower room. So it's very spacious now, very classy, and neutral lang talaga lahat ng finish nila. So, this is my favorite room out of all the rooms that we have explored sa mga iba't ibang mga model houses. So, grabe, no? Actually, parang itong master's bedroom, ito pa lang yung bahay namin. So, if you can see and feel the vibes, kung ito ba yung gusto nyo. And actually, you could have blackout curtains naman dito kung gusto nyo makatulog ng medyo dark. So, yeah, tara, labas na tayo. So, yeah, paglabas natin, ito yung family area natin na at the opposite side is our casual dining area. And dun sa casual dining area natin, sa may likod niyan, would be our indoor garden. So, dito muna tayo sa front garden, no? Kaya siyang buksan up to the end. So, pwede siyang ganito lang kalaki. Pwede din naman isagad kung meron tayong parties, no? If ever man, kung ako ang pagde-designin, kung possible, no? Ako, if this was my house, pwede pa ata akong maglagay dito ng swimming pool. Ganun siya kalaki. Actually, guys, hindi ko pala na-mention, this sits on a 460 square meter lot area. So, yeah, pwede tayong maglagay dito ng malaking swimming pool, o kaya naman, if you're really a plantita, yes, explore the vast land that you could have designed your own landscape. So, dito, ang nilagay nila is couches para, syempre, makapagpahinga, may maganda tayong view, and fresh air. So, yeah, pasok na tayo ulit, no? Punta naman tayo sa favorite part ng mga momshies natin out there. So, papunta na tayo sa kitchen area. Grabe guys, ang sarap sa kitchen area nila kasi sobrang laki. Tapos, ang maganda dito sa pagkaka-interior design or sa layout mismo ng mga model houses ni V is yung kitchen area nila. Kita mo talaga lahat ng bawat segment ng bahay mo. Yung family space or living room, our private dining room or casual dining. Tapos, ang laki ng pwede mong galawan dito. And dito, hindi naman siya yung dipindot yung cabinet. So, sa ilalim ng cabinets nila, nandun yung parang handle natin na pwede natin buksan. So, yeah. Then, right across our kitchen is a powder room. So, it's spacious enough naman. And the mirror wall really elevates the room or the powder room. Mas nagiging spacious siya dahil sa mirror wall. So, dito naman sa area na to, we also have our storage area dito sa part na to. Then, of course, our maid's quarter or space ng helper natin. Then, sa side naman na to, meron silang sarili nilang toilet and bath pa rin. So, yeah, punta na tayo sa second bedroom. Pero in this scenario or in this house, they didn't convert it into a bedroom, but a major office room. So, grabe, pwede ka na magpa-hold ng executive meeting dito. Grabe, no? Kung ito naman din talaga ang bahay mo. So, you have an executive room over here. So, pwede ka talaga mag-hold ng executive meetings dito. Pwede kayong maglagay ng projector dito or sa kabilang side. And you also have a couch para naman makapag-lounge kayo or meron kayong extra visitors who would want to hear your conversation or your meeting rather. Then here, you also have your own toilet and bath. So, bawat room talaga dito may sariling toilet and bath. And of course, they also have their own smoking area. So, mas malaki yung smoking area nito kasi syempre, mas madaming tao or mas madami tayong ka-meeting. If ever man na hindi nyo to gustong i-convert as a smoking area for mga non-smokers dyan, madami pa tayong pwedeng gawin. Pwede tayong maglagay ng waterfall fountain dito, o kaya naman ng koi pond, o kaya naman mga plants pa rin. So yeah, let's explore the second floor. So just like any other model house here in V, yung mga katabi talaga ng staircase nila is a storage room. So parang maganda talaga na itatago din nila yung placement ng storage room nila. So we have a huge storage room over here para sa extra gamit natin. So dito, naglagay sila ng glass partition para naman makasave tayo ng sa Meralco bill natin na hindi na to kasama sa kailangan natin lagyan ng aircon. So, maganda din na nakaka-breathe tayo ng fresh air habang umaakyat tayo sa ating second floor. So, we're finally here on our second floor. So, yung staircase nila is just like other staircase in our other model houses. And ito ang ating family area or receiving area sa second floor na alfresco. So, meron tayong view ng frontage ng house natin dyan. But before we get into that, let's go to this air-conditioned family room. So, nandito na tayo sa air-conditioned family room, no? So, usually, sa ibang mga model houses natin, wala silang air-conditioned co-working space or family area or common living space sa second floor. So, at least dito, air-conditioned na siya. So, let's go first to the second bedroom of this house. So, we're here on the second bedroom of this house. Kita nyo naman, very spacious siya. At kahit wala siya sa first floor, meron pa rin siyang natural light and ventilation because of our high ceiling sa mga ating indoor garden. So, may access din to sa indoor garden natin. Meron pa rin tayong view. And malakas yung dating din talaga pag meron tayong floor-to-ceiling na window. So, dito naman sa side na to is our own toilet and bath na pwede natin pasukin. So, besides the master's bedroom, magkakasize lang ang mga toilet and bath nila here. So, yeah. And makikita nyo naman, we have a vast amount of cabinet. So, madami tayong pwedeng ilagay or pwede natin i-maximize yung space. So, dito naman sa floor-to-ceiling window natin, doon nila nilagay ang ating maliit na workspace para if ever man may gusto tayong basahin in the morning or bago tayo matulog, doon tayo magbabasa. So, yeah, let's go to the third bedroom. So, sa third bedroom natin, mas malaki yung natural light natin because one side of our bedroom is fully floor-to-ceiling na window. So, pwede tong i-open, itong side na to. So, ayan. Hindi ko na-open kasi mainit. So, then sa taas naman natin would be our ventilation or your air condition naman natin. So, sa harap naman ng bed natin would be our toilet and bath. So, sa kabilang side nung nung bedroom naman nito, nakalagay yung cabinet. So, kanina, dun sa second bedroom, yung cabinet yung nakatapat dun sa bed. But here, nasa kabilang side naman. So, yeah, balik naman tayo ulit sa family room natin. So, ang ganda, kung sino man yung dalawang person sa family natin, I think mga college students na siguro or working na yung mga anak natin na dito magre-reside or dito sa dalawang bedrooms na ito. Kasi very spacious na talaga yung pwede nilang ikutan sa bedroom nila. So as we have this air-conditioned family lounge, it's also perfect to entertain guests. So dito na din sila naglagay ng bar nila. So, nakakatulong talaga yung mga indoor gardens natin and yung mga glass partitions natin to have that natural light. So, yeah, hindi mo na kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. Makakatipid ka talaga sa kuryente dito, no? So, let's go to the common area again sa alfresco na common area natin at nandun naman ang dalawa pa nating bedroom. So, just like in the ground floor, katabi ng staircase natin ang ating storage room. So, I don't think buksan pa na ba natin siya. Same lang sila ng size actually, guys. Same lang. Just like any other storage area sa ibang units natin. So, tara, pasukin na natin ang ating fourth bedroom. So, just like our second bedroom, nasa isang corner yung floor-to-ceiling window natin. Na ito, ginawa naman nila, naglagay sila ng curtains dito na hindi naman blackout but could help in modulating the lighting here. So, kung ayaw mo naman masyadong bright, pwede tayo maglagay ng curtains like this. And then dito sa area na to would be our coffee nook o kaya naman study table. Pwede tayo maglagay ng study table as well as another cabinet. And dito din sa side natin, mas madami tayong space for storage. So, nandito yung receiving area naman natin. So, if we have visitors or friends, pwede sila dito tumambay. Or dito, I actually love this part kasi meron silang carpet na nilagay dito na may cute na texture. And parang ang ganda mag-sit down dito, chikahan with friends, or kaya din sila may maliit na table dyan. So, I think that's for that kind of activity or get-together. Then, they also have their own toilet and bath. Yes, as you can see. So, buksan natin yung light. So, just like any other room, same lang talaga sila ng toilet and bath. Wala masyadong difference except the master's bedroom. So, tara, pasukin na natin ang last bedroom natin. Siyempre, hindi sila magpapahuli. So, last but not the least, our fifth bedroom. Siyempre, hindi sila magpapatalo. We also have a floor-to-ceiling window over here, or floor-to-ceiling na wall. So, grabe no, ang laki talaga ng effect ng sa pagka-premiumness ng bahay, ang mga glass partitions natin. And of course, we could also see our high ceiling kasi na indoor garden over here. So then, dito naman sa side na to is also our toilet and bath. So I don't think I need pa papakita here, but yeah, para magkaroon lang kayo ng idea kung gaano siya kalaki. And dito, actually, siya lang ang meron access na merong gantong view ng labas ng common balcony natin. But, hindi ka makakapunta dito papunta sa balcony unless tumawid tayo dun sa mismong window natin. Panaakyat bahay yun. But, hindi na natin kailangan gawin yun kasi meron naman tayong access over here. So, of course, we're nearing the end of our house tour. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo ang balcony nitong Harper model. So, let's go dito sa side na to kasi dito sila naglagay ng covered space naman for their outdoor gym area. So, banda dun sa dulo, meron tayong outdoor gym. So, let's go through there. So, I think, if hindi nyo ilalagay itong table na to, pwede nyo pang i-extend yung gym area nyo up to this point. So, dito, naglagay na lang sila ng another dining table o kaya pwede siyang pang alfresco kung nyari. Meron tayong friends na nasa loob or pwede natin naman buksan din to all throughout. Kung ayaw natin gamitin yung air-conditioned family room natin, pwede natin siyang buksan if we have parties, no, gatherings. Ang sarap na mas madami tayong space na pwedeng galawan. At dahil nga mahangin naman dito sa Laguna, sa May Calamba City, hindi na din naman masyadong kailangan ng air condition. So, we're going out here on our vast balcony. So, grabe guys, no? We also have the view of Mount Makiling. So, napakaganda and very perfect for sunbathing, no? If ever man, pwede kayong maglagay din dito ng portable bathtub. Then, of course, kung ayaw nyo naman na nasa loob yung bar station nyo, pwede dito, pwede kayong magkaroon ng grill. So, if ever man na ayaw nyo bumaba, of course. Or meron kayong separate mga visitors. Kung may visitor si ate, si kuya, or yung parents natin, dito naman tayo sa taas, pwede mag-accommodate ng another set of visitors. So, ang daming pwedeng gawin. So, yeah, that's about it sa tour ng Harper model ni V. I hope you like it, guys. Just a quick recap of the Harper Villa. This is sitting on a lot size of 460 square meters with a covered floor area of 547 square meters with an external floor area of 138.86 square meters and other areas of 105.99 square meters with a total living area of 791.85 square meters with 4 carports and 7 bedrooms. So, up to 9 bedrooms actually ang pwedeng gawin sa Harper Villa. But for this one, we only have 7 bedrooms including the maid's quarter and of course the office room. So, Gwen, magkano ba yung house model na yan? Or model house na yan? Yan na yan. Yung kung anong pinakita mo, yan na yung gusto kong i-avail. So, it's only 80,562,029.27 pesos. Sobrang mura. And I think it's very much worth the price. So, if you want to know more, kung meron pa bang pwedeng ibang gawin kay Harper model, pwede din tong bungalow style or pwedeng 2 stories just like this with a maximum number of bedrooms na 9 bedrooms. Pero kung gusto nyo 3 bedrooms lang, kung gusto nyo i-utilize yung ibang space for other recreational area, pwede din naman. So, magdedepend kasi lahat ng bawat price sa preferences nyo. So, Gwen, magkano ba ang pwedeng mga payment terms na ma-offer mo sa amin dyan? Meron tayong syempreng mga discount. Depende sa terms na i-avail nyo. So, for 100% spot cash, we have 9% fixed discount. So, pwede pa tayong magkaroon ng additional discount depende sa promo ng month na kukuha kayo. Then, for spot 30%, we also have 5% discount. Then, for spot 20%, we have 3% discount. So, para sa mga hindi naman gustong mag-spot cash, but they have cash with them, and ang prefer nyo would be deferred cash, we have deferred cash for 24 months and also 12 months. So, 1 year to pay or 2 years to pay na 0 interest. So, magkano? May discount din ba yun? Of course. So, for 12 months to pay na deferred cash, we have 7% discount. And for 24 months to pay na deferred cash, we have 5% discount. Then, for people who wants to loan this sa bank, pwede din yun. Pwede tayong mag-down payment ng 30% or 20%. So, up to 24 months yung maximum down payment period natin. Kayo na pumili kung 30% or 20% na down payment yung gusto nyong bayaran within 24 months, or kung nagmamadali naman kayong makalipat, pwede din namang ang down payment natin is up to 12 months lang. So, ayun guys, madami tayong pwedeng options, i-customize ang payment terms, i-customize ang house na gusto nating ipagawa, magsabi lang at gagawin natin yan ng paraan. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed touring you around. If you want to know more about this project, you can message me on WhatsApp, Viber, and even on iMessage at +63919 098 4918. And follow me on all of my socials at Gwen C Properties on TikTok, Instagram, and even on Facebook. Since you're already here, might as well like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be more updated on our latest videos, because guys, I'll see you there. Again guys, this is Gwen C, your trusted Gen Z realtor here in the South.